Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DY Top 1 channel. In this video, I'm going to share a very interesting trick. Help you make your own antenna at home. Have you ever tried an antenna at home? Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you're having trouble with anything, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. What country are you from? Leave me a comment. It's amazing when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click the sign up button. I'm glad to see your support. Let's prepare a power line. Remove the outer shell and use the inner copper core. Next, put that copper wire in the nail. You turn the screw back on. Prepare an old fan cage. Make sure no rust and dirt. Wire cage through, and use glue gun to fix the fitting. Now, let's prepare another little nail. And wrap the copper wire in the wire into that little nail. It's a simple but very effective trick. Anyone can do it at home. Do you want to try it now? Let's prepare a wastewater pipe and run the wires through that pipe. Then let's connect that water pipe with the couplings of the T-shaped plastic pipe. the power line through the cutoff. Now, let's start making a bracket for that antenna. Wooden painting only with L-shaped stand. Use nails and drill bits to fix it firmly. We also use the inner copper core of the TV connection wire with the antenna. Wrap it tightly with insulating tape. Don't leave it open. Now, let's start the experiment. Turn on the television. My TV now. I can't see it due to no waves. Now, let's connect the cable to the antenna port of the television. Make sure the connection is solid. Let's turn it on and see what we've done. Let's explore new channels. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my support channel. Let more people know about this trick. I wish you success.